After 7 days of testing salicylic acid versus benzoyl peroxide on my skincare model client, I finally have the results. The start of the week, we applied salicylic acid, CeraVe as a cleanser, and Paula's Choice 2% solution on one side of their face, and benzoyl peroxide, Panoxyl 10% wash, and La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Plus on the other to determine which work best for acne. By day 3, we noticed that salicylic acid kept their skin smoother, controlled oil, and reduced blackheads, while benzoyl peroxide started shrinking red pimples quickly but caused slight dryness and irritation. By day 5, the benzoyl peroxide treated side had visibly reduced inflamed breakouts, but the skin was slightly dry, while the salicylic acid side remained balanced and prevented new blemishes. By day 7, the final verdict. Both work, but for different acne types. If you have an oily skin, blackheads, and clogged pores, salicylic acid is the better choice. But if you're dealing with painful red pimples, benzoyl peroxide works fast to kill bacteria and shrink breakouts. The best routine: salicylic acid in the morning to prevent clogged pores and benzoyl peroxide as a targeted spot treatment at night. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for Amazon links to this skincare.